Today, I'm going to walk you through how to motion track an element, like text, a sticker, or an image, onto a moving object using CapCut on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your added elements follow your subject smoothly, creating professional, eye-catching effects for your videos without any headaches. Let's dive right in. First, fire up CapCut on your computer and import the footage you want to work with. This might be a clip of someone skateboarding, your pet running, or anything with motion you want to highlight. Once your video is inside CapCut, make sure to drag it right onto the timeline at the bottom. This timeline is basically your control center. It's where everything gets pieced together. Next, let's add the element you want to stick to your moving subject. Maybe it's a cool quote, a fun emoji, or a branded logo. Import the element just like you did the video and drag it onto a new, separate track above your main video clip in the timeline. Having it on a higher track keeps it layered over your footage. This way, your element doesn't get lost and always stays visible where you want it. Now comes an important part, positioning your element so that it starts off exactly where you want to begin tracking. In the preview window of CapCut, drag and resize your element so it's directly over the part of your video you want to track. Imagine you're placing a name tag right above someone's head, or sticking a sticker onto a fast-moving car. Line it up as closely as possible where the action starts. This sets the anchor for tracking. With your element selected in the timeline, glance over to the right-hand panel and look for the Tracking tab. Click on Motion Tracking, and CapCut will put a yellow tracking box into your preview. This box is crucial. It tells CapCut what to watch as your video plays. Take a moment here, drag and pinch the edges of the box so it snugly outlines the subject you want to track. The more precisely you frame it, maybe just around a face or a logo, the better CapCut's tracking will perform, especially if your subject moves quickly or changes direction. Before you start tracking, check out the settings. You'll see options for direction, forward, backward, or both. Most often, you'll want to track forward, starting at the point you lined up earlier. But if you need to track in reverse, that's right here too. If your subject moves towards or away from the camera, you might want your element to scale up or down to match that movement or enable the distance option. These tweaks help keep your element looking natural, so it doesn't float awkwardly out of place as things move. Ready for some magic? Hit the Start button. CapCut will now analyze your footage and apply all the motion data it finds to your element. Depending on your video, this might take a moment. Don't worry if it's not instant, especially with longer or more complex clips. Once it's done, play back your video and watch how the element follows along with your subject. If anything looks off, you can always adjust the tracking box and settings, then try again. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, export your video. You're all set to share your creative work, whether it's on social media, for a school project, or just for fun. I hope this guide helped you get confident with motion tracking in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your results. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.